हेलो डियर स्टूडेंट, वेलकम टू ग्यास क्लासेस फॉर मैथमेटिक्स। आज हम लोग क्लास 11th मैथ स्ट्रेट लाइन पार्ट नंबर 4 करेंगे। चलो देखते हैं इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन। तो क्लास 11th स्ट्रेट लाइन पार्ट 4 के अंदर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन हमारा है, फाइंड अ स्लोप ऑफ लाइन विच passes थ्रू द ओरिजिन एंड द मिड पॉइंट ऑफ द लाइन सेगमेंट ज्वाइनिंग द पॉइंट्स P0, 4 एंड 8, 0। तो मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है और बिल्कुल बेसिक क्वेश्चन है। फाइंड अ स्लोप ऑफ लाइन which passes through the origin and the midpoint of line. So first you find the point, because we have to find slope of line which passes through the origin. That is, passing point is given origin and midpoint of the line segment joining this point. So answer first C. So for this type of question, first we see origin. So coordinate of origin will be what? 0, 0, right? And then midpoint of line segment. So midpoint equal to what? That is x1 x plus x2 by 2. So this is 0 and this is 8. So 0 plus 8 by 2. Again y coordinate y1 plus y2. So this is 4 plus 0 by 2. So midpoint will be what? 8 by 2, that is 4. 4 by 2, that is 2. So origin is 0, 0 and midpoint is. Now we have to find slope of a line which passes through 0, origin and the midpoint. So slope of this line will be what? See here. So slope of given line. Slope of given line will be what? That is difference of y-axis, that is 2 minus 0, divided by difference of x-axis, that is 4 minus 0. So this is 2 by 4, that is 1 by 2. So this is the slope of the given line will be what? That is half. Okay. So the question was, find the slope of line which passes through the origin and the midpoint of line segment joining this point. Okay. So origin means 0, 0 and midpoint of the line segment is what? That is 0 for P point and 8, 0. So midpoint formula x1 plus x2 by 2. So 0 plus 8 by 2. And y coordinate y1 plus y2 by 2. So 4 plus 0 by 2. 8 by 2, that is 4. 4 by 2, 2. So midpoint is. Now we have origin and midpoint. We can find slope of the required line, that is given line which passing through the 0 and midpoint is what? y2 minus y1, that is 2 minus 0 divided by 4 minus 0. So answer is what? 1 by 2. Okay, see the next question. So now there is a second question. Second question is what? Find angle between the x-axis and the line joining the point. So we have to find angle between the x-axis and the line joining this point. So how can we find angle between the x-axis and the line joining the point? So you know that is the tan theta equal to, that is the m is a slope tan theta, where theta is the angle between the line and the positive direction of x-axis. So here angle between the line x-axis and the line joining the point. So we can find very easily, that is tan theta, where theta is the required angle. So tan theta equal to what? y2 minus y1. So this is minus 2 and minus 1 divided by x2 minus x1. So this is 4 minus 3. So this is how much? Minus 2 plus 1 divided by 1. So it is minus 1. So you know minus 1 can be written as minus pi by 4 and minus pi by 4 can be written, इसको क्या लिख सकते हो? minus pi minus pi by 4. So this is how much? That is pi minus pi by 4. So this is the tan theta, that is minus 1. So we can write here minus 10, that is minus of 10 pi by 4. and this can be written as tan of pi minus pi by 4, right? So this is minus pi by 4 is 1. So minus 10 pi 4 can be 10 of pi minus pi minus theta. So this is what? Tan 3 pi by 4. So theta equal to what? 3 pi by 4. So you can write this way. Pi is what? 180 by 4. 4 4 is 16. 2 4 5 is 20. So 3 5 is 15. 3 4 is 12 1 30. 35 degree. This is also the correct answer, and this is also the correct answer. In this way we can find the angle between the x-axis and the line joining the points 3 minus 1 and 4 minus 2. Understood? Now see the next question. The next question, that is third. If 3 points H0, AB and 0K lie on a line, then show that this. So you know all the 3 points lie on a line. So these 3 points are collinear. So suppose this is A point, this is B point, and this is C point. So A, B, C are collinear. Then what? Slope of AB. Slope of AB equal to slope of BC. So slope of AB equal to what? Y2 minus Y1. That is B minus 0 divided by X2 minus X1. That is A minus H. Again slope of BC. So BC what? Y2 minus Y1. That is K minus B upon X2 minus X1. That is 0 minus A. Right? So we can write B upon A minus H equal to K minus B upon minus A, right? So we can write this B minus K upon A. Now see what we have to find. A by H. So this is A by H plus B by K equal to 1. We have B upon A minus H equal to K minus B by A, B minus K by A equal to this. So we can find this like AB equal to A minus H. So we have to find A by H plus B by K equal to 1. Okay. So we can find here AB upon A minus H, K minus B, that is B minus. So A, B, C are lie on a line. So this is B minus 0, A minus H. Here K minus B and here Z minus A. So this is B upon A minus H and this is K minus B upon minus. So B minus K by A. Now you see this is AB. Now AB equal to what? This is A minus H. This is AB. This is A minus H into B minus K. So this is AB equal to A into B, AB minus AK minus BH and plus HK, right? So this AB and AB cancel out. So you will get AK plus BH equal to what? HK, right? When you divide this number by HK, you will get A by H and here B by K equal to 1. So A by H plus B by K equal to 1, we can prove. So very simple topic, that is 3 points, these are lie on a line, then so that is important question also. For this type of question, ABC slope of AB equal to slope of BC. You know slope, difference of y coordinate divided by difference of x coordinate. Here also. Now you can find answer very easily. A by H plus B by K equal to 1. So this is the straight line part 4. In a straight line part 5, we will solve the more question for the other sections of the straight line. Thank you.